All right, let's go, baby. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Do it right now. Do it. Do it. There it is. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, big numbers. Minor. Minor, major, anything. Let's go. Mini? You wanna drop a mini down? Come on. Do something. There it is. There it is. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Come on. Keep it alive. Oh, I just saw the minor fly by. Let's go, baby. Do the minor. Just do it. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Minor. Come on. Go ahead and do it. You can do it whenever you're ready. Just minor me up. Come on. Oh, that's okay. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Cha-ching. I'll take it. Let's go, baby. All right. Game 2. Do it again. Retrigger. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. What else you got for me? Do a 300. Oh, I thought we were gonna go for it. That was a $300 orb. Come on. Nice, 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 guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. What do we got? Another one. Do it. Another wild. All right. 500. Come on. 500. 500. All the way across again. All the way across. 600. Let's go. Do it. Drop. Drop. No, that's a 9. That ain't gonna work. Come on. Wild. Oh, come on. One more. One more bonus. There it is. Let's go. All right, now we're gonna drop the minor, right? Now we're gonna drop the minor. Let's do it. There's 100. Come on, let's go, baby. Minor, mini. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's go, baby. Save it right now. Oh, one more, one more, one more, one more. Oh, I thought we were gonna go for a 5. That's all right. That is not bad at all, my friends. Not bad at all. $800 on a $10 bet. I'll take that all day.